Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining two essentials, forage and a colony. Set your hive in full sun, sheltered, make sure you have water nearby. Plan a corridor of nectar sources, lavender, clover, borage, so bees never run out. Order a nucleus or starter bees early in spring. Once they arrive, inspect frames for brood and food. Don't overprepare equipment. Start simple, then expand. This gets your bees foraging fast and sets you up for the first harvest season. Once your colony is settled, focus on management. Inspect every 7 to 10 days and confirm a laying queen and solid brood pattern. Make sure to optimize forage by staggering flowering plants. This maintains steady nectar flow. Add honey supers when about 60 to 70% of frames show capped nectar to avoid robbing. If spring nectar is scarce and stores are low, feed a 1-to-1 sugar syrup until flowers pick up. These steps maximize honey production while keeping bees healthy. You harvest only when most cells are capped. This ensures low moisture. Use an uncapping knife or fork, then spin frames in an extractor. Once extracted, filter and let honey settle for 24-48 hours before bottling at room temperature. If yields are low or bees become defensive, check for robbing or brood disease. Separate entrances, reduce hive openings, and combine weak colonies if needed. A key troubleshooting tip: if honey fermentation appears, dry brood or high moisture nectar was the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.